created by nature. And we're going to learn to make coconut oil. So I am going to meet Auntie Pamela and family. See? Of Mataru.
We're all familiar with the use of coconut oil, whether we use it for cooking, anointing, as hair treatment, as a moisturizer, in our religious ceremonies, and even for digestion. Now, there was a time when pure coconut oil was rare. A little had to go a long way. But today, it's so much easier to locate someone with homemade coconut oil for sale. I met one such person, and this is how you make coconut oil.
When she made coconut oil, what you all used to use it for?
Well, we use it to cook. We make, when we make dal puri, they oil the roti with it. She used it to put in we hair, we ears, things like that. She rub we skin with it.
And they used to massage babies with
Yes, no, well, when we have babies, no. First we put it in the head. Then we rub their nose. And we put in the ears, rub their body, so they get strong bone. We didn't have like lotion and cream, so we use coconut oil.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I still use it up to now.
They say when you put coconut oil in your hair, you get really shiny, healthy hair.
Yes. Long hair.
And long hair?
Yes.
I need some.
Okay. Yes.
And you used to cook with it?
Yes.
Everything?
Yeah.
All right.
Fry fish, cook with it, everything.
Okay, so take us through the entire process. So we need dried coconut for this. Right, so we started with dry coconut.
So my husband bursts it and he dig it out. And then I wash it. And I grate it. Right. So when I done grate it in the grater, I wash it and I put it to boil. In the far side, so then when it finished boil, we just drain it up, scrape out the brown part from it, we fill it in the bottle. The brown part now, we put sugar and we eat the brown part.
And that's koja.
Right.
Okay, let's pause. I have heard so many words for this delicious burnt treat. I've heard kurchan, I've heard kocha, and I've heard karochni. Kurchan, I was told, means whatever is stuck to the bottom of the pot after cooking. Kocha, I'm wondering if this is a version of kurchan. And karochni, which was a Bhojpuri word featured a few months back, the brown or the burnt remnants after making ghee. Could it also apply to coconut? In Fiji, kurchani is the tool used to grate coconuts. Kurcho, to grate. Maybe that's how we ended up with kurchan. But you know, somehow they're all connected. Why not share your thoughts? You can leave a comment below. All right, let's get back to the good stuff.
Okay. So this is what you call, what is copra?
This is the copra.
This?
Yeah.
All right.
This is the inside of it.
And you put this in the chulha as well?
Yes.
This is for heat?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
It light up, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the absence of wood, if you didn't have enough wood, you could use this?
Yeah.
Okay. I suppose it would burn long, wouldn't it?
Yeah. And that now, we wash the pot with it. We wash ways with it.
And what's the word to scrub?
Uchkan. We use that to wash the pot.
With the ashes from the chulha?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Because we didn't have like...
Sponge and...
yes, and liquid...
dishwashing
yes,
liquid.
we didn't have, so we used the ashes.
You still use it?
Well, to scrub the tari and the lota.
It's a very good shine?
Yes. Yes.
Nice. So everything, you're using everything?
Yes.
You're using everything. So you get your oil.
Yeah.
You're using this for heat.
Yeah.
You're using this to scrub.
Scrub, yeah.
It's not a manje, I think.
Yeah, well, you manje the wares with it.
And then you have the grated coconut, which you could make the little sweet the treat with.
Yeah.
And then you can make sugar cake with this.
Yes.
You can make chutney with this.
Well, yes. But you know, when it come like that now, you can't roast it to make the chutney. When you roast it and you make chutney, you get a better taste.
Right.
You know? Right. Yeah.
How long does it take to make coconut oil, on average?
Well, okay, this was a little bit, so it didn't take long. But if you're making like the 12 coconut, it will take like, how I tell you, I put it in the fridge and it get hard, it will take like about 2 hours.
Right. So you do this quite often now?
Well, yes. When I have coconut and I get order, I make.
So I think everybody should know what this is, which is the chulha. Oh, how old this is?
A couple years.
It's done. You see, economical way to cook.
But normally, long time, this is how we do it. Remember, we didn't have fridge on,
Yes.
so you make
Everything
it like
was
this,
one
yeah,
time.
yeah.
How you learn to make coconut oil?
I see my mother used to make it.
Really?
Yes. And but she sit down in the ground and grate it. And then she wash it and she boil it. Because remember a long time we didn't have all this things now like how we have now. So like if she going to make dark curry, she would use the coconut oil. To rub the dough. She going to fry chana, she using the coconut oil. It have a different taste in it. If she's going to make coconut chutney too, she using the coconut. So that's how I really learned to make it.
How old were you when you made it yourself?
Well, I had about 18, 19 years.
Okay.
Because this is how we used to make oil, and we put in the children head, we put in the ears, we oil them with
Massage.
yeah. So, and I noticed that when I put the coconut oil in my daughter and them head, if you see the hair how it was, real long and nice. But when they get married, everybody decide to cut their hair and
What's pucha?
when you don't make the oil, it will get something underneath brown.
Deep brown thing.
How you make it? You just put sugar in it?
Yeah.
And you eat it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that smell.
Right? You know when I make it this is my pressed oils, right? People always use it to idea, whatever. I use clean things to make this. You could drink this oil, you could, right? But now, as we do hardly we just eat this, I would when I don't take out the oil, I will wash this and put it back to boil. Okay. Get back oil in it again.
Oh, so you still have oil to extract from that?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Sweet. You gotta taste of the coconut. It's a little taste of coconut oil. But the coconut, it's like so rich. Shabash. How it is then?
Very good. A long time I eat this anyhow.